Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my beauty sponges. So all you're going to need is warm water. Regular tap water will do, and you're going to put in any detergents that you have. I used Handy Andy and I also used Sunlight liquid. So you just want to pour them and mix them together inside of a container of your choice. Make sure it's a container that you can put in the microwave. So you just want to pour in your beauty sponges and just put that in the microwave for 2 minutes. So when the 2 minutes is over, you want to take out the beauty blenders out of the microwave, and I usually just rinse them with cold water because they come out the microwave hot. So you just want to squeeze them out until you feel like they are clean. I usually go in twice with this method, so it doesn't really get super clean by the first try. You just want to do it like 2 or 3 times depending on how dirty they are. This is how they came out, so I just decided to repeat the step. So these were the results after doing the method twice, and I was pretty satisfied with how clean they were. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit on the notification bell if you haven't. See you guys in the next video.